Okay, so this is 1104 Sundrift Drive, Tampa, Florida. So it's a 7-bed, 5.5 bathroom house. So it's a pretty brand new, like we closed like 2 months back. So it has a 3-car garage. So here is the front yard, which looks pretty nice. So first I want to give you guys a tour of the outside, and then I will go inside. So the lot size is roughly 9,000 and maybe 200 square feet. That's pretty large. So the coolest part of the house is basically this kind of a small lake or a pond at the back, and this kind of jungle of the trees. Okay, so here we got a lanai and a balcony also. So the lot is big enough that if you want to build a pool, you can very easily do that over here. Okay, so now we are at the back of the house. So here you can see the view. So here we have two air conditioning units, one for the lower level and one for the upper one. So, and then this door is supposed to be like the to get you to the pool if you have. Okay, so now I'm on the other side of the building. So this is a brand new community with maybe 50% houses built already and the rest building at full speed. So okay, so here we got a 3-car garage. So you see I have a Chevy Tahoe here, but you can park a small car behind that and another car over here. Okay, so here let's enter through the front door. Okay, so on my right, this is formal dining area. Okay, so here is the den, or kind of a guest room or space. Okay, so down the hall on the left is our master suite. So the suite bedroom is pretty much empty because we are leaving. Okay, so and here is the master bath. It's actually in use right now. I'll get back to it. Okay, so we got a plenty of closet spaces. So here is one closet under the stairs. Okay, so here is our kitchen. So kitchen is basically what they call gourmet kitchen, which has these extended cabinetry, upgraded appliances, and this granite countertop. So these appliances are included in the deal that we are offering. Here is a small kind of a kitchenette thing over here, and then this is a pantry that you can use with your kitchen, putting all the stuff. Here is our this is basically the powder room, small bathroom, half bathroom, and here is the laundry room. So the laundry room has this sink plus some cabinetry, and here you get to the garage. Okay, so now I will be showing you guys second bedroom on the ground floor. Okay, so this is our guest bedroom bath. It's a full bath, and this is the guest bedroom with the closet over here. Okay, so now let's go upstairs. So we got 5 bedrooms upstairs. So the total square feet area of the house is like 5,400 and I believe 72. So we got this wooden stair railing. Okay, so here we have wet bar. So this is supposed to be our 7th bedroom, which in the original plan from MI Homes called Grand Sale 3, this room is supposed to be the media room, but we converted it into 7th bedroom with a full bath over here. So you see, it's a full bath, the granite countertops everywhere. Okay, so here these wall tiles and upgraded faucets also. So here is a small storeroom that you can use, and here is a walk-in closet. This is another bedroom, which we call the sixth bedroom. It's pretty large size bedroom. You can consider it like your upstairs suite. Okay, so here is a bathroom which is kind of shared between these two bedrooms, like one on that I just showed you, and the other one I'm going to show you guys. Okay, here is the bath and the Jack and Jill wash basins. Okay, so here is our fifth bedroom. And here is another walk-in closet, you can see. Okay, so now I will go to show you guys the remaining two bedrooms. Okay, here we got another closet. So we got a lot of closets in this house. So if you have like this, you want to store a lot of stuff, you will always find space. Okay, so here is our another bedroom, which is actually facing the front of the house. Okay, this is on the front side. Here is its walk-in closet. Okay, so I need to turn on the lights to make sure you guys get a good view. Okay, so here is another bathroom, which is kind of shared between this front bed and the one in the back that I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Okay, so here is another full bath. Okay, and here is another closet. Okay, now we are entering in the area of the last bedroom. So here is a walk-in closet, and here is your last bedroom. So once again, we got 5 full beds and basically 3 full baths upstairs. We got a pretty big size TV lounge upstairs. So here I would like to show you the highlight of the house, which is this balcony, and this is going to be your view in the back. Okay, so let's get back. And one last thing I want to show you guys is basically our master bath, which is downstairs. So now let me see if that's open now. Now I'll try to show you guys. Okay, so this is our master bath. It's pretty spacious. See, there is, when you enter, there is one walk-in closet basically on your right side. Okay, so there is another closet on your left side. So see, with a lot of space to basically put your linen and other stuff and clothes. Okay, so here is our shower area. It has a glass door. Okay, so here is his and her wash basins, and here is the tub, and finally toilet is over here. Okay, so that's basically it. So here when I come out of the bathroom, and here is the master bed in front of me. Now one last time I will go walk towards outside and show you what it looks like when you walk out. So here, see, the ceiling is, it's double height ceiling over here with some beautiful chandeliers, small size chandeliers, and this is the dining area again. Okay, thank you. Bye.